What's going on, guys? So it feels like it's been almost forever since I posted my last video. So maybe some of you guys must be wondering, where has Investing Hustler gone? Is he okay? Is he alive? Maybe he caught the beer virus. But no, guys, I'm still here. I'm still alive. I'm still healthy. Nothing bad has happened to me. So in this video, I'm going to explain to you guys exactly what I've been up to. In the past, it feels like 2-3 months. So pretty much before this whole beer virus, the beer bug thing happened, I was always into reselling. I was buying and selling products. If you guys looked at a lot of my previous videos, I was selling video games, PlayStation 4s, Nintendo Switches, a lot of stuff that people can use at home. And it just so happened to be that during this time, all the prices for all these products would rise dramatically. So right now, for example, Nintendo Switches are more expensive than retail. PlayStation 4s are more expensive than retails. Gamer PCs, the prices have gone up. And so I know in the past I had my gamer PC back there that I pretty much paid less than $300 for because I bought a PS4 and then I traded my PS4 for the PC, and then I actually ended up trading my PC for a Nintendo Switch and a bunch of games, extra controllers, and I ended up selling all that for over $800. So I ended up making over $500 profit just off my computer. So if you have an extra Xbox laying around, an extra PS4, a Nintendo Switch that you don't use, this is the best time to sell it and make some serious profit. But that's not all that I've been up to. I've been hinting on my Instagram because I've been advertising some of my stuff that I sell on my Instagram. So I'll show you guys like a quick clip of like things that I am selling and some really popular items right now. Well, this is an obvious item right here, is masks. I don't want to get the cheap little crappy disposable mask. On top of that, that's not very good for the planet. So I got some reusable masks. I pretty much pay $4 for them and I've been selling them for $20 easy. It's been crazy how busy I am. I've actually been having to take trips to the bank twice, 3 times a week. I'm actually heading to the bank. What I've made in the past couple weeks, taking another trip to the bank. And so once again, another quick trip to the bank, depositing some money in the bank. I'm gonna head to the bank. I'm gonna deposit some money. Seems to me like the only time I have time to talk to you guys is during my trips to the bank. So I just arrived to the bank and I'm just gonna be depositing all this. So yeah, this is what I have to deposit right now. It actually feels so weird walking in these malls and legit everything's empty. Not one person, literally not one person. The only thing that seems to be open is my bank. I'm gonna head into my bank and deposit some money. What I made yesterday, this is what I made the day before. Today is actually a fairly slow day, and today this is how much I've made so far, and this is on a slow day. So the way you have to look at this beer bug, this beer virus, it is creating a lot of opportunities. So let me just explain this to you guys real quick. So there's 2 different types of people in this world, and the world cannot just live with one. They need both types of people in order for the world to continue going the way it is. So in this world, we have consumers and we have suppliers. Consumers, suppliers, providers, whatever. And you have to ask yourself, which category are you under? Are you a consumer or are you a supplier? And of course, the people that will most likely probably succeed or have the most opportunities will be the suppliers. But the thing is, we cannot have suppliers without consumers, and we cannot have consumers without suppliers. Everyone's staying at home. Everyone wants to do stuff. Everyone is bored out of their minds. And most of those people are consumers. So what do I do as a supplier? I try to provide the consumers what I feel like they think will be a necessity. People need masks, and I'm tired of seeing people throw away all their disposable masks, so I'm selling reusable, washable masks. Now, I know you guys are wondering, like, what is it you're selling? What are all these other products? My plan is, and that's if and when I do have time, I will be creating a course, and in that course and in that program, I will expose every product, every item that I have. I'll give you guys an example. My last video, I showed you guys the AirPods that I was selling. So I was paying $6 a piece for those, and I was selling them for $25, and then there was one that I paid $7 and I was selling for $35. So that's almost 500% return. Even though that video only got 1,000 views, it doesn't matter. All it takes is 10 people in my city And just like that, I've created competition for myself. So I actually had to drop the prices of my AirPods down every time I create a video, whether it shows you guys how to flip iPhones, AirPods, PS4s, Nintendo Switches. At the end of the day, I'm still creating competition for myself. So right now I'm just kind of trying to build my foundation, trying to start this business without that much competition. So I'm going to show you guys a quick clip of exactly like what's going on, and it's a huge mess right now. My room is a mess. The whole place is a mess. I'll show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So as you can see right here, it's literally boxes. It doesn't usually look like that. It's just because midday right now. So you guys might get some hints, realize some things that I'm selling here. I'm gonna try not to expose too much, but as you can see, it's just boxes in here, and this isn't even the most of it. So this is where it really goes down. As you can see right here, it's literally just boxes upon boxes upon boxes, and each one of these boxes contains a different product. And as we speak, I actually have to go meet someone real quick, so I'll be right back. I don't know if you guys want to see a vlog where I can show you guys my sales throughout the day, and I can show you guys at the end of the day how much money I made, how much gross profit, and how much revenue I made throughout that day. If you guys want to see a video like that, give this video 100 likes and we'll do that. I'll give you guys a few hints or something to think about. What do people really want to do when they're at home? What are they missing out on when they can't go outside, when they're not quarantining, etc. So just think about that, and then maybe you guys can come up with some ideas. If you guys have any good ideas, comment them down in the comment section and maybe help each other out. But actually, unfortunately, I have to go again. I gotta meet this person. Okay, so I'm back. Let's try to do this without no interruptions. It started off kind of slow. It's kind of picking up now, maybe because people are finishing work, but let's just see how much I made on a slow day. 152. 635.
Hello?
Hey, how's it going? Can you just remind me what product this is for again, just so I could bring the right one?
For the combo gaming keyboard and mouse. I'm just standing here in a leather jacket.
Okay. See you in 1 minute.
All right, see you.
Okay, bye-bye. See, there's one hint of one thing that I'm selling. So I thought I was done recording this video, but in the beginning of the video I kind of mentioned how today was a slow day. As the day progressed, the amount that I made has increased. Let's just count it up what it is right now. 100. That's 900. 1, 2. So that's 920, and plus I had some change. Every penny counts, believe it or not. Pay me in change. So $930 so far today, but this video is titled how to make $1,000 in one day. But luckily for me, I have someone coming very soon. They want to purchase two things. One of them is worth $50 or the other one's worth $90. So if she purchases the $90 item, that means that it will put me over $1,000. If you hear noise in the background, it's my dog, just won't stop. So yeah, she ended up talking me down to $80 on the $90 item, which is fine right here. You add that to this, and just like that, 1,000 in one day. It's only 7:06 right now. Can you be quiet? I'm gonna do this tomorrow. We're gonna see me deposit all this money into the bank, pretty much just to prove to you guys that this is real, this is being made. It's not made up money, this isn't fake money, this is all legit. It's 8:19 p.m. and I'm gonna see how much money I've made so far today. So 100, 200, 350. $1,120. And where is my bag of change? Every penny counts. So over $1,130 in one day. The day's not over. Probably by the end of today I might get 1 or 2 more sales, and we're gonna take these 3 to the bank, deposit it, and see the total of how much I made in the past 3 days. And the total should be over 3,000, because in each and one of those days I've made over $1,000. We're gonna end the night selling 5 more masks, which is another $100 to add to today's revenue. I'm gonna try to capture bits and parts of this transaction on tape. How's it going? So yeah, you said 5 masks, right? I'll count that real quick. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Good to go?
You just might come and get.
If you need more, you know.
$5 out of it.
Well, whatever, man. If you need more, I always got more.
You always got more, right?
Yeah.
You need about 20 of them.
20 of them. Wow. Okay, I should have 20 tomorrow.
All right.
All right, man. Stay safe. So just like that, you guys saw how quick, how easy that was. In like probably like 2 minutes, you guys can see that right here. I made 100 selling 5 of those masks. We're gonna have to add that to the daily pile. And now we're definitely well over $1,000. So I just arrived to the bank. It is now 11 a.m. so that means that I'm going to deposit my money into the bank. So yesterday I made over $1,000 and today I recounted it all and it actually amounted to over $1,240. Actually $1,240 exactly. So we're going to add this, we're going to add this, and we're also going to add this, and we're gonna deposit it all into the bank. The thing is, I don't want to go in with so much cash, so I'm taking the 5s and the 10s out and I'm just gonna be depositing all this. So I'm gonna go into the bank and deposit some money right now. Just my receipt. Thank you. So in the past 3 days, I made a total of 3,360 plus 190, which equals to $3,550 that I've made in the past 3 days. So when you do the math, if you divide that by 3, which is the past 3 days, that means I made $1,183 per day in the last 3 days. So it's day 4. I just went to the bank. You guys saw me deposit all that money in the bank. I showed you the receipt. I showed you the proof. And this is Friday, day 4. It's only 1:11 p.m. and already my day has started. And Fridays are usually my busiest days. And it's only 1 hour into the day. And already I made 100, 250, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 350, 2, 4, 5, 400, 420. But for now, I hope you guys are staying safe. Don't forget to wash your hands. If you guys need some masks, you guys can message me on Instagram. I sell these masks brand new in the pack, so don't worry, I'm not giving you guys used masks. If you guys enjoy videos like this, don't forget, give me a thumbs up. Let me see some comments down in the comment section. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Or if you guys don't want to see anything, you guys can let me know that as well. But for now, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Who knows when that will be. Bye-bye.